This side hustle will not make you as rich as Elon Musk or Dangote. Here is X side hustle that can make you over $1,800 per day. The sweetest part is you can take few minutes to set up. Let me show you how it's done. Open X app and search for I need a logo, and you will find tons of people recently asking for logos. Now we just slide into their inbox and send them a DM script like this. Once they agree, go to freelogo.co, type in the company name as well as their slogan, select category, and boom, you have a bunch of logo templates to choose from. I will go with this one. Now take over to Canva, slap a watermark so they can't steal it, deliver it to the client a day at $300 per logo. Now if you get 6 clients a day at $300, that's $1,800 you've made just from using X app. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the like and share button so you get notified whenever I bring lovely content like this. Cheers.